Hello everyone, this is Chaitali Chatterjee from We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, and today's event, yes, before that let me tell you, We is present in 9 locations. We are in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Northeast, Singapore and Lucknow as well, and we have 9,000 plus women entrepreneurs with us, whom we are promoting them through WhatsApp and Facebook groups, through social media, to online news portals. We organize events and exhibitions every month for them, and now we also have E4B, and that is Enclave for Businessmen, because a lot of entrepreneurs who are joining with us, men entrepreneurs as well. About today's event, today morning we had, there was one wonderful session of multiplying your money, with Alpa Shah, who is chairperson of Women Entrepreneurship Development, MSME and Startup Forums, Bharat. We have wonderful, this session was actually organized by We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, powered by Uprise Grow, and it was managed by Shriyom Communications and Solutions. Today we have entire day. We will be having a financial literacy program by Empower Education, and after that we will be launching Pujya Divine Wellness and Spiritual Awards. So this is all about today's event. We are having our various guest of honors coming in today, like Mr. Surendra Palji is coming. Morning we have Nandita Ompuri ji, we have various other Vidisha Ghosh, Munmun Mukherjee, and many of them. And afternoon also we are having Dr. Jyoti, and many other people will be coming in today in the afternoon. And our partners today are Uprise Grow. We have gifting partners as Polo Enterprises, Sapphire Organic Foods, and Uprise Grow and Polo Enterprises, Sapphire Organic Foods. And also we are very thankful to Majestic Interiors as well, who have all supported us. We have Kalinga Kala Kendra also with us from Pune today. And we have jury members Neelam Kumar, Seema Babani and Dr. Mamta Mishra. This is all about today's event, and if you really want to join We, you can connect with us at We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, our Facebook page and Insta page. So thank you, all the best to everybody.
Hello everyone, this is Alpa Shah, a social entrepreneur, author and finance professional.
Ma'am, you are keynote speaker for today, so what are you sharing today?
Well, I'm here to definitely explain people on financial literacy and how you can create wealth through equity, stock market. Equity is not gambling, it's not shortcut, it's not 1 year double. But of course, with proper planning and strategy, with the help of experts like Uprise Grow with us today here, we can definitely make people's life much better, because they can earn lot of money over a period of time through equity market. Well, Uprise Grow is definitely one of the best solution, because India is shining, Amrit Kal is happening, one of the fastest growing country in the world. So they are having very beautiful product offering, wherein they are giving fixed returns to their investors with their expertise. So my topic today was to promote Uprise Grow's product and equity investments in our participants.
And experience with We.
Well, We is like my dearest family, extended family according to me. Chaitali is doing a wonderful work, because a very dear and close topic to my heart, which is women empowerment, especially for the entrepreneurs. I think nobody in this world is doing much better job than Chaitali, and that is also very understatement. And I'm extremely happy to be a part of all the beautiful initiatives she continuously takes on empowering, educating and uplifting women entrepreneurs. And not just women, now we are coming together with a very nice collaborative partnership project, wherein we are going to teach, upgrade, help entrepreneurs on how they can increase their business multifold, go beyond to grow beyond in next 10 years and make the best of Amrit Kal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Prashant Trivedi, Chief Advisor of Uprise Group. Today we are here to not promote but to explain how to associate with the stock market, and it's not that kind of thought where everyone feels that this is a gambling, this is a unwanted skill. No, if you are with the expertise, you deal with the expertise, then surely this is the biggest output making, money making portion for you. That's it.
Your association with we?
With we is our unique platform. I mean, we provide us a very fantastic platform. Thank you, Chaitali ma'am. Hardly thanks to Alpa ma'am to promote ourselves. Not promote actually. She know how to execute the things with among the people, among the investor. One kind of awareness actually, and she know how to keep them update in details and in a very simple manner. This is very important, and she did this tremendously fantastic way. Thank you.
वी के साथ जुड़ के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, चैताली मैम को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत थैंक यू, बट उनके साथ मुझे जुड़ के आई थिंक सो 9 to 10 मंथ हो गया, बट ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम से जुड़ी हूँ और उन्होंने मुझे हर कदम पे सपोर्ट किया है. मैंने मतलब पहले बहुत ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, पर उनसे मोटिवेट होकर मैंने काफ़ी कुछ लर्निंग किया है. तो चैताली मैम का जो डेडिकेशन देखती हूँ ना, उससे मुझे भी इंस्पायरेशन मिलती है.
My name is Rahul Modi. I'm the co-founder of Sapphire Foods, and we are the manufacturing of organic groceries, and we have our own farm in MP, Rajasthan and Gujarat. We have more than 200 plus products, and also we are into corporate gifting. We customize the gifting solutions to the customers, and we deliver pan-India at your doorsteps. We are there on Amazon, Flipkart, JioMart. We have our own e-commerce website www.sapphireorganicsfoods.com, and we are the farmers from past 25 years, and we help a lot of farmers, more than 5,000 plus farmers we have trained and how to grow organically, and we have get them the certificate Pan India. And we are associated with we from past 8 months, and I am very helpful to Chaitali Chatterjee to giving this opportunity to me to showcase my products every time, and she is always inspiring me to be every time with the V.
Hello everyone, this is Chandni from Majestic Interiors. We are into interior and architect industries, and from past 12 years we have been servicing to all kind of clients like commercial, residential, spa, restaurants, hotels, banquets, and every kind of spaces we design. And we design plus execute projects also pan-India, and we have currently 6 to 7 projects going on pan-India, commercial and residentials as well.
How does your organization help the environment?
Okay, so basically currently we are having a motto where we are promoting organic materials like which are helping our environment to stay healthy and free from pollutions. We are using materials which are eco-friendly and which long last, which are termite proof, which are fireproof, and also the long lasting of the furnitures have become good. So that is the reason this way we are helping the environmental to be sustainable.
Okay, that's very good. Yesterday we heard you in Radio City FM 91.9. Please share your experience.
Oh, 91.1 was a dream Radio City channel that I got opportunity with Chaitali Chatterjee. Thanks to her, because of her we went to 91.1 Radio City, and it was an amazing experience. It was my first time on the Radio City, and we had a good time.
Association with V?
Okay, we are associated with V from past 8 months, and V is helping us to reach more and more clients, and helping us to grow in different cities as well. Like we did recently Pune also, we are doing Mumbai, and now we are planning Indore also. So it is helping us to cater entire pan-India projects.
Message to new entrepreneurs.
So basically, new entrepreneurs, I have a message. If you have a dream, if you have a focused topic like I can do this, then please go ahead. Nothing can stop you. Keep giving your best, and you will reach your goals. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Mamata Mishra, founder president of Kalinga Kala Kendra Trust. I am a classical artist and also spiritual therapist. I have postgraduate in microbiology and computer science. I have inculcated a concept called balancing of the brains, and in which I have introduced science in music and encapsulated into a small capsule, and that is called the Musicoscience. I give guarantee to those students who want to learn music as well as heal themselves, get well soon, and that is a 6 months journey. I give them a capsule of 8 months or 8 years of our learning and training experience, and this is a proven and certified organization, and which gives certifications to those students who pass out from us also. And also I give guide them. We have a mission, we have created a trust, and that trust is helping for the development of educationists, singers, dancers, and weavers, many things, designers, women, entrepreneurs, everyone. And our own how we do it is through the classroom workshops and everything, and our intention is to build old age homes for those artists who have been abandoned. Even in spite of them, they have been doing a lot for the country, and they have been awarded with many accolades also. And we are trying to bring out the dying art of our country, traditional form as well as folk culture.
Thank you. So you are also jury for today's awards. So how was your experience?
Very nice. Actually, being a spiritual therapist, I could understand that many students who have lot of potentials, a spiritual growth within them, they have tried to explain their journey themselves also, and try to bring out. Even I am getting motivated by reading and going through their journey. So as a jury, I am very happy to be a part of this wellness.
So your experience with V के साथ जुड़ के आपको कैसा लगा?
Oh, nice. It's wonderful. I have been knowing Choitali from last more than 7-8 years through some other sources, and that was a beautiful journey, and finding her after a long time, and then she has created this platform for the development of entrepreneurs for the women. That is enterprising, and that is very, I'm really proud of her that she has given platforms to all those entrepreneurs. Thank you so much.
Message for new entrepreneurs.
Message to all entrepreneurs that see, actually this is the growth, this is the place, and anyone who want to rise in their level from themselves always should feel proud of themselves first, that yes, we can do it. Until they win, they have to keep on going, and this is the best place, I can say, that as an entrepreneur you can find your place beautiful.
Hello, I'm Neelam Kumar, and I'm very happy to be here in the WEE Spiritual and Wellness Conclave. I am a life skills coach. I have been a life skills coach for 20 years, and I'm a motivational speaker, and more importantly, I'm a best-selling author of 11 books. All my books are inspirational and life-transforming. Thank you. I'm also on the corporate advisory board of Chaitali's WEE. Thank you.
So you are a speaker for today, ma'am. So what are you sharing today?
You know, it's always such a pleasure coming to WEE. They always say that women don't get along with women, but you need one woman like Chaitali to get all women together on one platform and make them all exhibit their own talents. Today, the topic that I'm speaking on is wellness and spirituality. I'm passionate about both these. I have recently, written actor Manisha Koirala's biography about how she dealt with cancer. And right now with Hira Mandi, she has become a bigger star So today I will be talking about what women can do to prevent cancer. Some tips and tricks. Thank you.
Experience with V.
You know, I was there in March 2018 when Chaitali started her WEE, and I've loved the way it has grown, I think, into a huge organization, into many cities. So I'm really proud of that. My experience has been, I am a feminist, so it makes me feel very proud that women who were earlier homemakers and still are also displaying their talent, and not only that, they are generating income out of their talent. So I always support this cause. That's why I'm here today.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
तो मैं अपने कंपनी के बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगी. दिस इज़ पूजा डिवाइन, और आज पूजा डिवाइन वेलनेस एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवार्ड मैंने लॉन्च किया है to be in gratitude to universe, be in gratitude my spiritual master, and to uplift and to give a lot of kind of push to people who are into the field of wellness and spirituality, because ये एक ऐसा सेक्टर है alternate medicine का कि फाइनली जब डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं ना एंड में सबसे बड़ा सीरियस केस हो जाता है, तब डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि अब आपको दवा की नहीं दुआ की ज़रूरत है. तो उस दुआ के दौरान में जो लोग आपकी मदद करते हैं, एक एंजल बन के, एक गुरु बन के, या एक भगवान जिन इंसान के रूप में आके हेल्प करता है, वो है हीलर, वो है एक स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट, वो है एक वेलनेस एम्बेसडर. तो इनको हमको भूलना नहीं चाहिए. वो इतने ही इम्पोर्टेंट जैसे डॉक्टर होता है, या जितना इम्पोर्टेंट हम एक थैंक्स गिविंग उनको देते हैं, उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं ये हमारे हीलर्स, ऑल्टरनेट मेडिसिन प्रैक्टिशनर्स, क्योंकि उनसे ही, और बिना गुरु तो ज्ञान मिलना ही इम्पॉसिबल है. आप कितनी भी किताबें पढ़ लो, कितनी भी पुस्तकें पढ़ लो, कितना भी आप देख लो, लेकिन अगर एक गुरु की कृपा आप पे ना हो तो आपको एक नॉलेज, ये जो आज हम बोल भी रहे हैं वो भी कैसे क्या कॉन्फिडेंस में बोला जाता है, वो नहीं मिलता है. तो इसके लिए मैंने ये एक इवेंट जो अरेंज किया है, पूजा डिवाइन वेलनेस एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवार्ड, इसीलिए किया है. थैंक यू टू चैताली जी, जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर एनक्लेव से हैं, जो एसोसिएशन में आके एक मेरी ये ड्रीम को साकार करने में हेल्प कर रही हैं. और ये अवार्ड हम लोग हमेशा हर सीजन करते रहेंगे. तो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. एंड यस, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम डॉक्टर, अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ कंपनी के बाद बताने के बाद. दिस इज डॉक्टर पूजा बी वर्मा, and I am an international motivational speaker, social entrepreneur, also a spiritual influencer and a youth icon. And इसके अलावा I am also an environmentalist. तो जो भी चीज़ प्रकृति, माता प्रकृति और डिवाइन से रिलेटेड है, वो मैं हूँ और उनकी एक सेवक हूँ, बस.
What are your upcoming events?
Yeah, I am planning I'm not an event person basically. I'm not an event person basically, so I'm more of a servant, you can say. I'm the servant of the servant. So basically मैं यहाँ पे एक इवेंट नहीं हूँ. अगर मैं इवेंट करूँ तो फिर बाकी इवेंट वाले क्या करेंगे. मैं सिर्फ एक प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए हूँ, जो ऑल्टरनेट मेडिसिन से रिलेटेड है, जो वेलनेस में है, जो कंपैशन, ह्यूमैनिटी फाउंडेशंस में इतने सारे लोग इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं. जैसे एंटी ड्रग्स मूवमेंट हो गया, एंटी सुसाइड मूवमेंट हो गया, एंटी बेगिंग मूवमेंट हो गया. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट पीपल आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ द कंफर्ट जोन एंड पीपल आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ द वे. बेसिकली दिस इज अबाउट कि आगे के जो इवेंट्स होंगे वो इनके साथ में जुड़कर होंगे, जो लोगों की सेवा करते हैं, चाहे वो मेंटल वेलबींग हो, जो उनकी फिजिकल वेलबींग हो, इमोशनल वेलबींग हो, तो वो फाउंडेशंस हो या वो कंपैशन से रिलेटेड हो. आई मीन मोटिवेशन से ज़्यादा लोगों की जो एक्शन में मदद करते हैं. अगर सबको प्रचार करना बहुत इजी होता है, लेकिन किसी के वक्त पर जाकर उसे एक शाल उड़ाना या उसका घर का राशन भरना, ये एक रियल एक्शन में मदद होती है. तो बोलना सबको आता है, लेकिन एक्शन करना बहुत कम है. और मैं उन लोगों को साथ में सम्मान देना चाहती हूँ जो एक्शन में लोगों के लिए खड़े रहते हैं, रात के 2 बजे भी, 4 बजे भी, या किसी भी वक्त पर. ना ही कि बस इवेंट में अपना समय डालें. ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑल इवेंट्स, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ जो लोग फील्ड पर हैं और फील्ड पर अपनी फैमिली को छोड़कर दूसरों की हेल्प कर रहे हैं, उनको मैं सम्मानित करूँ. तो मेरे आगे के इवेंट्स इसी से इंस्पायर्ड होंगे.
एसोसिएशन विद वी.
एसोसिएशन विद वी मैंने जैसे बताया कि पूजा डिवाइन तो एक ब्रांड है ही, और इसको साथ में कभी भी एक चीज़ कुछ अगर करने जाओ, ठीक है ना, तो वो अकेली नहीं होती है. अगर आपको फल चाहिए और फ्रूट चाहिए तो आप सीड डाल के छोड़ दो तो नहीं होता है, उसकी देखभाल भी करनी होती है। उसी तरीके से वी जैसे हैं, चैताली जैसे हैं, एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम जो साथ में रहता है। माली की ज़रूरत होती है ना, फूल को एक खूबसूरत से पेड़ को सीड में से उसको रिज कर फूल या फल को लाने के लिए, तो उसी तरीके से वी जैसे हैं। जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने कहा था कि एक ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, अभी इस टाइम भी मैं यही कहूँगी कि एसोसिएशन विथ वी हमेशा ऐसे रहा है कि जब जब लोग नीचे गिरे हैं, है ना, तो उनको वी जैसे उन्होंने गिरने नहीं दिया है, उठाकर फिर से कोई अच्छी एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करने और अपने आप पर कुछ बनाने, अपने आप को एक परफॉर्म लॉन्च करने के काबिल बनाना मेरा एसोसिएशन वी के साथ में रहा है। थैंक यू।
Hi, I'm Ruby Bhatia. I'm a television presenter and a happiness life coach. I do personal life coaching one-on-one 24/7 with a women's helpline called Friend.
The We Women's Entrepreneurs Enclave is an incredible initiative by Chaitali Chatterjee, and she's bringing women from all over the world together under one platform. So I would like to congratulate Chaitali, and also today we have Dr. Pooja B. Varma. She's going to be doing the Spiritual and Wellness Awards, and Dr. Pooja B. Varma with her initiative Pooja Divine is spreading a lot of love and light everywhere. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके, and I have a message for women entrepreneurs. I want to say believe in your dreams and make them come true. Anything is possible with perseverance, hard work, a great vision, and the motivation to put a lot of energy behind it and make your dreams come true. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Because for me, Chaitali and we is very, very, very important and close to my heart, because I have seen her when she had 40 members, and today 8,600, 9,000. Oh my God, we're waiting for the 10,000 milestone. So for you, I made that effort because you deserve it.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And welcome all the new we members and the old ones, all of you. And there. So we have a whole lot of people whom we know, and we is like family.